want us to talk for a minute about formatting letters in Microsoft Word. This is how a letter looks when it is correctly formatted. And I created this letter using no spacing style. It's your automatic or your default option when you're using your GDP software that you use to create documents in keyboarding. And so people take those directions, which tell you to come down 6 enters before you put in your date, and then come down 4 enters before you put in your inside address block, and then come down 2 enters before you say your salutation, 2 enters between your salutation and first paragraph, 2 enters between each paragraph. The problem with that is that if you just open up Microsoft Word, you are not in no spacing style. You are in normal style. Let me show you what happens when you create a letter like this in normal style using the directions that you're accustomed to using when you're working in no spacing style. And I'm going to click on Show Hide so that you can see. So you can see those enters in there. Now watch what happens when I select everything in the document, and now I'm going to click on Normal Style. Do you see what happens? See, the number of enters has not changed. But remember that when you hit the Enter key in Normal Style, you're adding 10 points of extra space every time you hit Enter. And I get a remarkable number of letters that look just like this. Cover letters that look just like this. And if I were a hiring manager, just on the basis of a cover letter that looks like this, I would not call you for an interview. I'd be thinking, does this person not know how to format a business letter? This is ugly. I'm going to click back to No Spacing Style. This is how it should look. Always remember, just use No Spacing Style. You can use Normal Style, and where you need single spacing, as in the address block, for example, you can use something called the New Line command, where you hold down the Shift key before you hit Enter. And that just takes you down one line. But I think it's just so much simpler just to use no spacing style. So that is what I recommend.